Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my junk journal. Today I am working on this fun part of the journal where I actually stuck in part of the packaging from Magnus's Pat the Bunny book. So I don't use a lot of actual junk like this in my journals just because, I don't know, I don't really find much of it, I guess. We don't get a lot of mail. In our mailbox, so not a lot of paper junk in our house really, but every once in a while I come across something fun, so I'll be working here on this fun Pat the Bunny page today. I have this picture of Magnus that I'm just layering here with some different paper scraps from my bags of scraps that I have. Just looking for something that, you know, goes with the photo. Maybe goes with the Pat the Bunny on the other side. Looking for some flower embellishments, which are always my favorite to use, so you'll always see some of those here in the junk journal. And then I'm just adding in here a tag from one of my Good Life collections. I think this is the June 2019. You can see the little sheet there in the corner where I've cut that tab out from. And I just added in some fun little corner photo corners there. And then I'm going to make a label here to put on the tab most likely. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.